Let's paint a pastel colored banana using only oil pastels. I'm making a painting a day this year and using round paper for that project. You can take a square piece of paper or a rectangular vertical one, because our banana is compositioned vertically. I'm starting with a yellow line art. I will need to leave some white, so I'm careful not to draw inside the lines. Let's give our banana a bit of background, a few banana leaves. My palette for this painting will be yellow, pink, turquoise and orange. And I will blend in a couple of other colors to variate these four. This palette will give us a soft, light look. I took a simple pink solid color for the background for the leaves. Some of that pink naturally reflects on the banana, so I'm adding it there, mostly on the shadow side. Leaves also reflect on the banana, so I'm using some light blue to show that. Now I'm going in with the second layer of yellow to get rid of paper texture and get the paint texture, also adding some shadows with orange. Our palette doesn't give us too much contrast, so I'm trying to get as much contrast as possible on the edges of the banana. I'm painting a darker shadow under it, even draw some line art with blue. Now getting into the finer details, blending at some places and applying some texture in the others. Now it's almost done. I'm marking the date and going over some last details, like scribbling off the pastel with pencils for texture. So here's our result. It looks like an oil painting, and we made it with just oil pastel crayons. Check out a freebie with ideas on what to draw in the description.